and unanimously agreed upon by delegates. The aspirant was unanimously affirmed by all the delegates here present, and that Senator Dr. Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah, having certified the requirements of the YPP electoral guidelines and the Electoral Act 2022, is hereby declared the winner and is returned elected as candidate. To you the result sheet, and I also present to you the Young Progressive Party certificate of return as senatorial candidate. This is to certify that Senator Dr. Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah of Umuanuka, Nnewi, Anambra State has been duly nominated to run the office of senator representing Anambra South, Senatorial District, in the forthcoming general election of 2023 for a second term, dated this 29th day of May 2022. Signed by me. Your Excellency and distinguished senators, I hereby present to you the YPP flag, and which will fly throughout the whole senatorial district, and to gather votes to take you back to the Senate again. Thank you by the grace of God.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.